What's up, online shoppers? We all know that scars can be one of the most discouraging parts of healing because they are a reminder of the injuries that we are recovering from. But this is a really cool product that was gifted to me by Heal Fast, and it is 100% silicone scar gel to help with the healing of all kinds of different scars and burns. Just from looking at the box, you can see that it is developed by dermatologists and surgeons. It is silicone scar gel that is medical grade sheeting to help with wound recovery. One look at the box of this shows you that it will do all of these wonderful things and that it is great for all different kinds of skin types. A quick glance at the box shows you that as well. The instructions are really straightforward. As it says here, 2 to 3 times a day, massaging for 3 to 5 minutes, and we'll talk about why in just a minute. So let's see what this incredible stuff actually does. Now, I love the formulation of this and that it comes in really handy dispenser pump. Easy to operate, fits really nice in my hand, and all you have to do is pump to apply. Now it comes out in a gel-like formulation, and you can see that although it is liquidy, it is sticking to my skin and not going anywhere. Now the idea, as I said before, is to massage this in for 3 to 5 minutes. And there's a reason behind it. First of all, it's going to take about that amount of time for this to absorb into your skin and dry. But secondly, the act of massaging is actually stimulating the blood flow and bringing the blood to the surface where your scar has formed. You can see that it is fully absorbed, although it still is a little bit slick. A few more minutes of massaging is going to make that completely dry and completely absorbed in, and it creates a really nice, almost invisible barrier on my skin that will help to protect the sensitive skin underneath. This silicone scar gel is a game changer. Since I had this lying around, I used this on a keloid that my husband had shoulder surgery for. But now let's get down to the real talk on why you want to use this silicone semi-solid sheeting for your scars and burns. The fact that it was developed by dermatologists and plastic surgeons already means I am comfortable using this product for my own skin. What I love the most about it is that it works on a lot of different applications. If you have post-surgery scars, it can be used for that. If you have acne scars and scarring on your skin, it can be used for that. If you have a burn that you sustained, maybe you dropped your curling iron on the tip of your nose, it can work for that too. The other thing that's great about this is the only thing that's in it is silicone. There's no extra additives or preservatives. It's just this airless pump which helps to dispense it in a really easy way and makes it super easy for you to apply to the area that's affected. Now there are a couple things that you have to keep in mind when using this scar gel. The first thing is you don't want to use it on wounds that are really fresh. You want to make sure that the wound has actually healed over before you actually start applying this, so not on open wounds. Now the other thing you have to remember is that the only way anything works is if you are consistent. So if you put this on one day and then walk away and think, wow, I wonder why it didn't work, that's not proper application. You have to be consistent and use this over a period of 4 to 8 weeks, consistently putting it on and massaging it in for 3 to 5 minutes so that your skin receives the protection and you stimulate the blood flow through massage so that your skin enjoys the full benefits that this can offer. So whether you're looking to impact the healing of new scars, old scars, sites of a burn, this is definitely a product you're going to want to consider for all kinds of skin types and all ages too. It is cruelty-free, it is not tested on animals, only made up of silicone. Great science, great ingredients, and with consistency, this can become a family favorite at your house too.